I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today we're going to look at Dell, Con Ed, and ExactTarget. Now, after the close last night, Dell announced earnings and it didn't look good. The stock was trading around $13 or so, $13.16 last time I checked. That puts this thing in a really bad spot. I mean, you look at the weekly chart, you can see certainly a nice uptrend here, over a long period of time, so it's been a kind of a choppy stock, but still you can see support. So now the stock's down about here. This is a busted stock. Now this may be a day trade or something like that if the stock starts to rally up above, say, the opening print. But that's pretty much all it is, because again, right now I'm looking at this and this is a broken stock. There are a lot of folks that are long this stock from higher levels. They are going to want to sell. I would say if you're taking this thing for more than a day trade, you probably got a long-term hold that you don't want. Let this thing go, leave it alone. Don't try to be picking a bottom here unless, again, you're just doing it for a day trade. And Kramer was talking to the CEO of Consolidated Edison, utility company. Look, they got a 4% dividend, 4.1% to be exact. The stock's in a volatility squeeze right now. This is a utility company, so you don't need a daily chart or even an intraday chart. Just look at the weekly chart here. The uptrend is pretty nice. The stock's trading right along the 40-week or 200-day moving average. I would buy this stock right here about $59. If the stock falls below, say, 57, well, you were wrong to buy here and the stock's probably going lower. But with a 4% dividend on a utility company, these things do kind of make money. How much downside do you think there is? Just buy the stock, collect the dividend, and let the thing go. And the last one we'll look at here is ExactTarget. Kramer was talking to the CEO of this company on Mad Money last night. And look, he likes this company. It's an ad company, basically in the Facebook space. But here's the problem here. This stock is looking a little Facebookian here with a break below support. Right there. Volume starting to pick up a little bit. I don't know how low this stock's going to go. What I would do is this. The stock's gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Wait for the stock to move up for a day, even a day where the close is higher than the open. In other words, rather than the box be a solid one like this, it would be a clear or an open box. Once you see the stock close higher than it opens, at least then you have some kind of a bottom that you can use for a reference for stops. So let's say stock closes up, say at $21.50, something like that, then you go ahead and buy it above this level, but you put a stop right underneath that level. That way, you're not really trying to catch a falling knife. Instead, you're buying a stock when it looks like it's starting to bounce, and you've got a clear signal of when the stock is not bouncing, and that is a stock that comes down and hits new lows. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to